simplify quantity 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 all over quantity 2x plus 3 quantity x plus 1. Basically, if we study the given, we cannot cancel 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. Why? Because we have parentheses here and this expression does not contain any parentheses. So first step is we need to distribute x, the one outside the parentheses. So x plus 2x will give us 2x squared. Next, x times 3, positive 3x. Then just copy positive 1. And over, copy the denominator. 2x plus 3, x plus 1. Now, factor out our numerator. So let us find the factors. Factor is 2x plus 1 and x plus 1. Let us check. We're going to multiply 2x times x, 2x square. Then 2x times 1, 2x. 1 times x is x, so 2 plus 1 is 3x. 1 times 1 is 1. Now copy the denominator. 2x plus 3, x plus 1. This time, since they contain the same parentheses and this is our single term, we can cancel out x plus 1. The remaining expressions are 2x plus 1 all over 2x plus 3. Now this is the final answer. Solve the inequality. 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Study the given. This is a quadratic equation. That means, to solve, we need to factor out. Now let us find the factors. Less than or equal to 0. So since 2x squared, factors can be 2x and x because 2 is a prime. Factors of 4 can be 2 times 2 or 4 times 1. Let's get 4. So negative 4 and positive 1. Let's check. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times negative 4 is negative 8. 1 times x is 1. So negative 8 plus 1, negative 7. That means these factors are correct. Now let us solve for x. So we have 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0 and x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. Transpose 1, 2x less than or equal to negative 1. If you're going to transpose, change the sign. To find x, divide by 2. So x is less than or equal to negative 1/2. The other value of x is x less than or equal to, transpose negative 4 will give you positive 4. The values of x. Find the mean, median, and mode. The data are the following: 48, 50, 39, 44, 47, 36, 47, 35, 48, and 40. Let us find the mean. Mean is also known as the average. So we need to get the sum, then divided by the number of data. So 48 plus 50 plus 39 plus 44 plus 47 plus 36 plus 47 plus 35 plus 48 plus 40 divided by the number of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by 10. Now get the sum, that is 434 divided by 10. Divide, that is 43.4. So this is now the mean. Next, median. To get the median, or the middlemost data, arrange from lowest to highest. That is the first step. So let us arrange 36. The lowest is 36, followed by 39, followed by, so we have 35. 35, the lowest data. 36, 39, next is 40, next is 44, followed by 47, 47, 47, next is 48, 48, 48, and 50, the highest score. So get the two middlemost data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The two middlemost data is 44 and 47. So add 44 and 47. So 44 plus 47. Since we have two middlemost data, divide by 2. So 44 plus 47 is 1. Carry 1. 91 divided by 2. 91 divided by 2 is 45.5. So this is now our median. Now, mode. Mode is the most occurred data. We notice that we have 247 and 248. So our mode is 47 and 48. That means the given data is a bimodal. If x plus y is equal to 12 and xy is equal to 50, what is x squared plus y squared? So this is a grade 8 level question. We know that x plus y raised to 2 is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So square the first term, multiply the first and the second term, times 2, that's why we have 2xy, and square the second term, y squared. In this equation, we can substitute the given. X plus y is equal to 12. So x plus y, substitute, the value is 12. So we need to square. Equals, we are looking for x squared and plus y squared. So remain x squared plus y squared. Now we have the value for xy, which is 50. So plus 2 times xy is 50. 12 square is 12 times 12, 144. Copy x squared plus y squared. 2 times 50 is 100. Next, we need to transpose positive 100. So 144 minus 100 is equal to x squared plus y squared. Subtract will give you 44. X squared plus y squared. So the value for x squared plus y squared is 44. Simplify. 2020 square minus 2019 square. So you can use the PEMDAS or simply square. So that is 2020 times 2020 minus 2019 times 2019. But in this case, we can use the difference of two squares. We have the a minus b, or a squared minus b squared. That is equivalent to a plus b times a minus b. Our a is 2020 and b is 2019. So a is 2020 plus b 2019 times 2020 minus 2019. Add 2020 plus 2019 is 4,039. Then subtract 2020 minus 2019 will give you 1. So the answer is 4,039. You can check it. X in the equation. Quantity 2x minus 1 plus 2 times 2x minus 1 plus 3 quantity 2x minus 1 plus 4 quantity 2x minus 1 plus 5 quantity 2x minus 1 is equal to 75. Pag-aralan maigi yung given, meron tayong tinatawag na common factor na 2x minus 1. So, ang gagawin natin, kopyahin natin yung common factor na 2x minus 1. Times, meron tayong mga factors sa gilid. Dito, alam natin meron dyang 1. Plus, meron tayong 2. Dito, meron tayong 3. Dito, meron tayong 4. At meron tayong 5. Is equal to 75. Susunod na step, kopyahin natin yung common factor nilang lahat na 2x minus 1. Then, add natin yung mga factors. So, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 is equal to 75. This time, para mas mabilis, pwede nating i-divide yung equation ng 15 para ma-cancel si 15. So, cancel out. May iwan na lang dito ay 2x minus 1 equals 75 divided by 15. Ilan yun? So, meron tayong 5. 75 divided by 15. Next, transpose negative 1. So, 2x is equal to 5 plus 1. 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. So, 2x is equal to 6. To get x, divide by 2. So, x is equal to 3. So, the value for x is 3. What is the sum of the first 100 counting numbers? So, ano-ano ba yung mga counting numbers? Yan yung 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, first 100. So, magi-start tayo sa 1. 1. Sum. So, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus, and so on, up to 100 daw. So, let's say, 96, plus 97, plus 98, plus 99, up to 100. Ayan. So, pansinin natin, kapag in-add natin si first number, doon sa last number natin, ang sum niyan ay 101. Yung second number natin, tsaka doon sa second to the last number, pag in-add natin yan, 2 plus 99, yan ay 101 din. Ganun din, kapag si third, at saka doon sa third to the last number natin, 3 plus 98, yan ay 101 din. So, dyan nang galing yung formula natin na Sn is equal to the first term, let's say A1, plus the last term, An, divided by 2 times the number of terms. Ang number of terms natin dito ay 100. So, times 100. So, para makuha yung sum, 1, first term natin, plus yung last term natin na 100, divided by 2, tapos ilan lahat yung terms natin? 100. We can use cancellation method. So, si 2 tsaka si 100, pwede natin i-cancel. Si 100 maging 50 na lang. So, 1 plus 100, 1 plus 100 is 101, times, 50 na lang ito. So, 101 times 50, multiply natin, times 50, so 5 na lang. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 1, 5. So, 50 to kanina, so mag-add tayo ng 0. So, ang sum niyan ay 5,050. Diba? So, new formula. Ano daw yung pang 2016 na letter? So, ilan ba lahat ang letters sa word na mathematics? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11 letters. Pang ilan yung hinahanap natin? 2016. So, i-divide natin. 2016 divided by number of letters, 11. So, 20 divided by 11, 1. 1 times 11, 11. So, subtract 9 and bring down 1. Next, 91 divided by 11, 8. So, 8 times 11, 88. 91 minus 88, 3. Bring down 6. So, 36 divided by 11, ilan? 3 and 33. So, magkakount tayo ng subtract, remainder na 3. Okay. So, 3 ang remainder natin. So, ang rules natin dyan, kapag ang remainder natin ay 0, S. Okay. Kapag ang remainder natin ay 0, so, yun ay, ang letter natin is S. Kapag ang remainder natin ay 1, ang lalabas ay M. Kapag ang remainder natin ay 2, ang lalabas ay A. Kapag ang remainder natin ay 3, lalabas ay T. Kapag ang and so on, ang remainder natin ay 4, ang lalabas ay H. So, sa case na to, ang pang 2016, ang remainder natin ay 3. So, that means, remainder 3, ang pang 2016 letter is letter T. Yung K. Ang formula natin ng slope ay slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ito yung formula natin. So, kailangan mo natin hanapin nasan ba si y sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 1. Since coordinate ito yung magiging x sub 1 natin, y sub 1. Next, x sub 2, y sub 2. Then, substitute natin. Given si m na slope, which is 6, so write 6. Y sub 2 is 9. Minus y sub 1, negative 3. So, negative times negative, itong ngayon ay magiging positive 3 na. Over, x sub 2 is k. Minus y sub 1, which is 2. Yan. So, 6 is equal to 9 plus 3, 12, over k minus 2. Now, cross multiply. So, 6 times k, 6k, minus 6 times 2, 12, is equal to, copy 12. 6k is equal to transpose 12 plus 12. 6k is equal to 12 plus 12, 24. To get k, divide by 6. So k, 24 divided by 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. So the value of k is 4. Quantity 1 minus 4x is equal to 0. So, pansinin na meron tayong mga common factors. 1 minus 4x. So, first step, copyin natin yung mga common factors na 1 minus 4x. Times yung mga other factors. 9 minus 2x plus 6 plus 3x is equal to 0. This time, next step natin, combine like terms. 1 minus 4x, negative 2x plus 3x, x, 9 plus 6, positive 15 is equal to 0. Since naka-factor out na siya, equate na natin sa 0. So, 1 minus 4x is equal to 0. And x plus 15 is equal to 0. Kunin natin ngayon yung value ni x. So, negative 4x is equal to, transpose natin, negative 1. Finally, divide by negative 4. X sub 1 is equal to, negative divided by negative, positive 1, 4. Yan. Next, transpose 15. So, x is equal to negative 15. So, may value tayo ng x. That will be our x sub 2, negative 15. So, ang values natin ay negative 15 and 1, 4.